Ready to see how easy VoiceStudioFX is? It's so simple. I've zoomed into the text-to-speech area. When you log into your dashboard, you'll see there's really not much more than this. It's very simple. On the left side, we have a list of voices. I'm going to use Guy. At any point, you can click the play button next to a voice, and it will show you a little preview of what the voice sounds like. Then you go to the text box and either type or copy and paste text. I have some text out of a news story that I'm going to paste into here. And then down below, you can pick your output volume. They have choices here from default all the way up to extra loud. I'm just going to leave it in default. Same with the speaking rate. You can slow the speech down or speed it up. I'm going to leave it at default. If you want to hear a preview of what your text will sound like, you can click the preview button. Otherwise, when you're ready, click Synthesize to File. Now watch how quick this is. I clicked, and it's already done. And I did not make an edit in the video there. So underneath, we have the list of files that have been converted. Here's the one that I just did. You have a text preview. And if I scroll over, we can see some actions. If I click this button, it will play the text that's been synthesized. If I click this button, it will give me the option to download it as an MP3. And then under the menu button, you can view details on the synthesize, and you can also delete. If we click over to view, just so you can see what's there, you get some identification information, you get the link to the actual MP3, and your text. So if you need to make changes later on and you don't have the original text file, it's saved in here. You can copy and paste and redo it. So that's really all there is to know about VoiceStudioFX, the easiest and best quality voice creation product out there.